Focus now to the other two bigwigs from the entire financial services space, and that's HDFC Bank as well as ICICI Bank. A bit of divergent move this year, Nikunj, while ICICI Bank is up almost 6-7%, HDFC Bank has been the massive underperformer, down 6-7% for the year so far. Do you think that's likely to reverse?
Sinisha, before we understand next 3 years, let's take the last 3 years for HDFC Bank, the pre-merger. Post the Chanda Kochar, episode, the HDFC Bank was here and ICICI Bank was here. Now the situation pretty much has reversed, both in terms of outperformance and in terms of opinion. ICICI Bank has come here and HDFC Bank has come down here. There is a very simple matrix in which you look at banks, and I'm going to break it for our viewers. It's price to book and then P multiples. On both account, ICICI Bank now is actually more expensive than HDFC Bank or vice versa. There you go. This is a forward. I don't remember when was the last time this happened. Now, for me, this in a sense is a very important graphic which tells you the story of how the market positioning has changed. Markets in the near term will always reward performance. And the performance has been lacking with HDFC Bank largely because of the merger issues. For ICICI Bank, they're firing full cylinders, and it's been one of the massive turnaround stories of the banking sector per se. But this kind of a discount, I think, is something which is a rarity. Now in 2015, we saw a similar equation where ICICI Bank had almost gone to levels of SBI in terms of the banking business valuation. But if you bought that time, you had comfort of margin of safety and you had comfort of a turnaround. With HDFC Bank, I think it's not turnaround, but I think it is continuity which would be there and attractive valuations. And I don't think, looking at the news flow, anything substantial could go wrong from here. And most of the negative surprises are out. So if you have so my sense is that if you have to choose now between ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, the vote goes for HDFC Bank. Underperformance, attractive valuations, unlikely negative communication, looking at what our understanding of the business is, and pure weightage in the Nifty is something which cannot be ignored for long, because now it's about 14% weightage. How long? If you're bullish on India, you cannot be bearish on HDFC Bank. Let me put it this way.
Well, yes, that's a key takeaway. If the index has to move, and if you're bullish on India, of course, HDFC Bank is a critical part of that journey. So have to be positive on that. And right now, the preference seems to be tilting more towards HDFC Bank versus ICICI Bank.